All right, welcome back, everybody. Let's talk a little bit more about CSWC, also known as Capital Southwest Corporation, currently trading on the NASDAQ. And can you guys believe it? A 12% dividend. We'll talk a little bit more about this later on. Looking at the company overview here, we can see that Capital Southwest is an internally managed, credit focused business development company actively providing flexible capital to lower middle market companies across the capital structure. They state that they have established close working relationships with a wide range of deal sources across the lower middle market, including financial and independent sponsors, founders, independently owned businesses, investment banks, and business brokers. While they primarily focus on sourcing and leading direct lending deals up to 75 million, they remain open and interested in developing partnerships with other lenders. They also go on to say that they focus on risk adjusted returns and capital preservation every step of the way, beginning with where they source opportunities, followed by how they evaluate potential deals through their due diligence, documentation, and portfolio management practices. Following that process has delivered consistent, attractive, all-in risk-adjusted returns for their shareholders. And basically, in short, too, Capital Southwest provides flexible capital solutions to help lower middle market businesses grow through acquisitions and capital investment. All right, let's talk a little bit more about dividend history here. So first things first, the payout ratio is 94.20%. The years of dividend increases is sitting at 2 years, and their dividend frequency is quarterly or 4 times a year. At the time of recording, the stock is trading at $21.05, and the dividend yield for CSWC is sitting at 12.02%. Now their 52-week low is $20.68, and their 52-week high is sitting at $27.23. So again, fairly close to that 52-week low, just about 40 cents above that currently. But again, too, you guys can take a quick look at the chart on the left-hand side there and see kind of over the past 2 years what that dividend payout has looked like. Now, I'm a bit torn in this final rating here, only due to the fact that the dividend yield is really good at 12.02%. However, on the previous page, we just saw that the payout ratio was in the 90%. There's only been 2 years of actual dividend increases. However, I don't want that to kind of distract you from the fact that this company has paid out dividends starting actually in 1988. Now, back then, they were more of a semi-annual company, or about twice a year for those dividends. And then coming up to about 2016 is when they actually went over to that quarterly basis as well. I do think it's interesting that they're only right about the 40 cents mark above their 52-week low. So I think it is something to kind of watch and look forward as the year progresses. But again, too, guys, let me know if there's a stock, an ETF, a fund that you guys want me to take a look into and review for an upcoming video. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, share the video with a friend, and looking forward to talking with you guys in the next one.